This cordless pipe press tool delivers strong, consistent crimps across copper, PEX, stainless steel, and carbon steel pipes up to 4 inches, making it a versatile choice for serious plumbing work. The onboard diagnostics panel is genuinely useful in the field, clearly showing battery status, crimp confirmation, maintenance alerts, and temperature warnings so you are not guessing mid-job. Crimp tracking is handled by an integrated reporting system that logs each press, which is a big advantage for contractors who need documentation of completed connections. A bright built-in work light and well-placed forward and reverse triggers make the tool comfortable to control in tight spaces and dim mechanical rooms. The kit is thoughtfully equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, a fast charger, multiple crimping heads, and a sturdy case, so you can start working immediately without hunting for extra accessories. Despite its substantial pressing capacity, the tool remains reasonably portable thanks to the included shoulder strap and connection ring, which help when moving around large job sites.